iPhone 12 Pro in the gold. Let's open the box and see what it's all about. Okay? Okay. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts! If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back again. I hope everyone will hit that bell notification button and hit all so that you'll know when more videos are coming out, because I got this, I got the iPhone 12, I got reviews, I got all kinds of stuff iPhone related coming here on the channel over the next several weeks. So you know you want to be here. Let's go ahead and look at this guy, maybe get him out of the box. Same kind of packaging as what we've had, but as you'll notice, a much slimmer box than in years previous. That's because they took the headphone and charging brick. No more headphone, no more charging brick. They've taken those out, but we have easy open packaging here. Always the premium experience with the iPhone, as long as I can figure out which way it's supposed to. Oh, there we go. See, once you get it going, it just like butter, like butter. Whew. And there it is. This is what I love. I love this thing where it doesn't stick. You just lift. You just lift and it's there and it's out, and I'm already not liking the color. Okay, so here we go. We'll put that to the side for now. A lightning port, lightning male to USB-C male charging cable, okay, with no brick. Did I mention no brick? If you have a brick from your iPhone, say last year, whenever you last got an iPhone, or any other phone for that matter, other than phones that have been out for the past maybe couple of years, Android phones, you don't have a brick with this in it. You don't have a brick with this in it. USB-C is a relatively new addition to charging bricks. If you have a MacBook of recent vintage, say 2016 and on, you can plug this into that, charge your phone. Otherwise, I have a list, an Amazon list that I'll link down in the description below. That list is all about different headphones and charging bricks that I feel like are pretty good substitutes. Apple sells their own. I think I have that on the list, but some are back ordered, some are still available. Go down and check that list out if you don't have something that you can use to charge this. Why they made it USB-C? They made it USB-C on the wrong end. Everybody wanted USB-C on the phone, not on the brick. So I don't know. Anyway, here we are. We've got USB-C. We should be happy, right? Otherwise, inside of this guy, we have a SIM ejection tool, as you can see. That's all that's on that. And then we have the slimmest of quick start warranty type thingy. And then we only get one sticker. We only get one sticker. Well, that leaves us with the box and an iPhone. Look, it tells you the power, and then volume up and down, and the mute switch. Now, I bought this phone in gold because of this crazy gold, like stainless steel going around here. You're never really sure what the back is going to look like in pictures, because it kind of takes on different colors in the light. This gold is lighter than I hoped it would be. Maybe it'll grow on me. I don't know. But the gold on the sides is sexy. Paper instead of plastic this year, so no fun plastic noises. It just comes off. Okay, so let's take a minute or so to check out the specifications of the iPhone 12 Pro. Now, we've got right here the iPhone 12 Pro regular size, bigger screen than last year. Last year's screen was 5.8 inches, and this year's screen is 6.1 inches. That's the same as the iPhone 12, the same as the iPhone 11 and 10R and all that kind of stuff. So, bigger screen, slightly bigger phone. Doesn't feel that big in the hand, though. It feels like a good size. This iPhone comes in 4 different colors. It comes in a blue, they call it Pacific blue. It comes in this gold. It comes in silver, and what they're calling graphite this year. So It has this nice sort of matte finish on the back, whereas the iPhone 12 has a shiny finish on the back. Storage-wise, 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes of storage. Starting price for the iPhone 12 Pro is $999, and the Pro Max, which comes out later on, I think it's available for pre-order on November 6th, is available for $1,100 onward and upward. So that's going to have a 6.7-inch screen and slightly different cameras. The cameras on these guys this year are supposed to be kind of incredible. I'm really looking forward to checking out the camera stuff as I get into digging into the phone. This is the first smartphone camera that I know of that records video in HDR as well as Dolby Vision, and it just every year these become more and more like a real camera. The battery life is about a 10% smaller battery from what people are discovering, but it lasts somewhere in the ballpark of 6.5 hours worth of screen time. It always depends on what you're doing with the phone, but 6.5 hours-ish of screen time for this phone is what you're getting. The Max phone will obviously last longer. I believe the 12 will be similar to the 11, where it doesn't last quite as long, but they're all like amazingly good battery phones. And the big thing about this phone this year is 5G. 5G is the big selling point for these phones this year. 5G isn't really all that much of a mature format for smartphones right now, but it's going to mature, I think, much more quickly now that the iPhones are on board. In fact, Verizon is pushing their 5G a lot more now as I bought these phones than they were before. And so that's good. 5G is going to be great when it matures. But until then, I don't know how much the coverage is going to really be available to the majority of people. We'll have to wait and see. It seems like Apple always gets the companies moving. Another thing that's new this year is what Apple is calling MagSafe. This is MagSafe, same idea as the laptops of old, but now you have magnets inside the phone. And this is MagSafe charging. You just get this guy on there. He's on there pretty good. You could probably glue this MagSafe thing to your wall and then just use, put it up on your wall like that. It's pretty darn sturdy. Aluminum on the back here, and it's got this soft rubberish coating over the charging element itself. I'm wondering how much, if there's a possibility of scratching for this. We'll have to wait and see. I don't want a big ring around my Apple logo. At any rate, here we have the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12. These are very similarly spec'd phones. The 12 has an OLED screen for the first time in ever. I don't know if there's a difference between the OLED screens in the two phones. They are exactly the same size. In fact, when I ordered screen protectors for these guys, basically you get the screen protector and it's for either one. That's how similar they are. I am looking forward to putting these guys through their paces. Please let me know whatever questions you have down in the comments below, and I will be sure to answer. So if you're looking for iPhone coverage, then please do hit that like and subscribe button and bell notify yourself, because I'm going to be doing reviews of all these phones, as well as the Mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Questions that you have down in the comments below. Comments, anything that you want to talk about, let's do it down in the comments below. Once again, I really appreciate you being here. My name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech, so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.